Merry Christmas, guys. This is part 1 of the Christmas unboxing. We have 2 small cubes and the Rubik's Impossible. Let's look at the Impossible. This was a surprise on how easy this was to open. As you can see, it changes color on the perspective of your view. I will not scramble this, because I will not be able to solve this. It is a little scratchy and hard to see. The Rubik Impossible iridescent tiles change color when viewed from different angles, creating 2 different ways to solve. Get ready for the ultimate Rubik challenge. Next are the small cubes. These are hard to turn. It almost popped. These are cool for display, but a solve is a pass. This is part 1 for the unboxing. I guess this is goodbye. Bye.